Myself, Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today, I want to discuss about the learn to use the computer parts, chapter number 3, subject science, class 3, day 2. In the previous class, I have discussed about the keyboard, the use of keys, different keys in different ways. Today, I want to discuss about the mouse. Mouse is also an input device which can be used to point at and select things like the text, graphics, pictures, clip arts, graphs, tables, etc. As per our requirement, in a mouse there are 3 buttons and that can be used for the different purposes. Different actions can be done using by a mouse, such as click, double click, right click, drag and scroll. When we click on the left button, it means it is also called the single click. It can also be used for the double click. Double click of the left button of mouse is used to open any program and select a word on the screen, and right click of mouse, it means we want to perform a special type of functions. It can be changed in the different windows. If we are working on an application, the option is different. When we right click on the screen, it means the desktop, the different options. When we click on in a folder window, the option is different. So that can be used for the special purposes. And when we hold the left button of mouse and drag the pointer of mouse, that can be used to draw pictures or to move objects from one place to another and select the text. And when we click on the middle button, that can be used to scroll the page up and down. Scroll means the rolling the scroll wheel up and down. The main functions of the mouse when we use to perform the simple work, the left button is mainly used. Now I want to discuss about the CPU box. Some computer parts are attached with the CPU box, such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, CPU, etc. Some are portable parts, such as the CD, pen drive, etc. and are inside the CPU box. These are the hard disk, CD DVD drive, audio ports, and USB port and audio ports can be used to plug and play a particular devices of a computer, such as the printer, mouse, keyboard, pen drive, any USB drive can be used to perform a particular kind of task. It can be detached after the use. Now you know about the laptop. In the laptop, all things are inside the laptop. It can be easily carried. लैप मीन्स जिसे हम हिंदी में गोद कहते हैं, हम अपने गोद में रख करके कंप्यूटर का काम करते हैं. इट वर्क्स ऑन ए बैटरी. इसको जरूरत पड़ती है हमेशा बैटरी को चार्ज करने का. जब हम चार्ज कर लेते हैं तब हम इसको अपने साथ कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. और जो काम हम डेस्कटॉप के कंप्यूटर पर करते हैं, डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर पर, वह काम हम लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर पर भी कर सकते हैं. ऑल थिंग्स दैट विल बी डन बाय यूजिंग ए लैपटॉप. इट हैज ए डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन, कीबोर्ड, touchpad and power buttons, charging port, USB port, and just like a mouse, the touchpad has the left touchpad button and the right touchpad button. So we must take care of our computer and its parts. To protect our computer, there are certain things that we must take care of. We always cover the computer with a cover protector. Never touch electric wires, cables or sockets, and it can be wiped with a soft and dry cloth. And press the key of the keyboard gently with the clean and dry hands. Do not keep a key pressed for a long. Do not keep your books or other heavy things on the keyboard. And do not bring food or drink near the keyboard. And also hold the left button of mouse and right button of mouse gently. Do not press the mouse button continuously. If never waste paper, print only when it is necessary. And hold the CD DVD by the edge with clean and dry hands. Do not touch the shining side and never write on the shiny side of CD and DVD. These are the caring of a computer and its parts. We always be sensitive about the keeping of our computer. That's all.